And in that short little break we took, look at how much was accomplished.
Don't ever do that to me. I could have come on blue. Nailed her right there at the spot. You just thought a baby bobcat.
You'd like to nail me.
What?
It's okay, Jackson. This is normal.
Man, is that like rust or corrosion?
Just because it has not, it's just the steel, but it hasn't been, it was supposed to be waxed probably 6 years ago.
Yeah.
The inside of it, but there was no, that cost like $35,000. So when we started and we got the grant, it's like, why put money into this tower if it's going to be coming down in a couple of years? So
I didn't know if it was something.
the old tower.
I'm gonna try to set this down, bear with me.
Is that a one-time deal then? Yeah.
There we go.
No, they will have to come in. They will do inspections on it. I don't know if it's, this is supposed to be re-waxed every 7 years. They will drain this one in a year and do a warranty inspection to make sure everything's. They'll go in and inspect it.
Is that what you said?
What?
When they drain that, everybody would send out a notice a week or so ahead.
Save a couple gallons.
Yeah.
Flush your toilet first thing in the morning so you know it's fresh.
Right. It only lasts.
No, we have to go out and put relief valves on 2 hydrants, and then the well runs 24/7, and that's the only thing there.
Conservation
no
plugs
fire
open to the
hydrants or
public
anything.
for bathing.
Yeah, there's no fire hydrants or anything. It's just for households.
Oh, that'll throw everything.
Yeah.
Okay, we're live.
Well, that's the fire department did it too. When I told Travis one day, what do you guys?
We're live.
What are you going to do when the tower's down? We've always gone to the lake and suck water. That's what you got to do.
He had to go somewhere today.
You had to go somewhere, yes.
He's babysitting somebody.
You like you better than you me.
Sorry for the movement, just trying to get you set up here so it's easier to see. There we go.
Now he's one of them they took up there with him.
I might go back and listen to it.
You're probably not the only one. I think ABC 57 has our Facebook flag, so whenever there's a new posting, they pick it up.
Yeah, ladder hanging off the basket. I thought you went home. You left your room.
Oh, he's down there? When did he come back?
Is his truck still here?
Huh. Maybe buy or tie or. Yeah. Yep. I didn't even think about those this morning. Those look good. You can buy them. Good. How old are they when they put them up? Yeah, I probably can make them back up. Do they? That's good. Yeah, sure. No. No, you don't really like to look like this. They're both of them dropped like don't look at them. What, ready for a donut?
Well, it's sure taking you down fast.
Yeah, you're not kidding. Gonna slide down.
It's interesting, he's cutting the tank and it's like, well, he's standing on the part that he's cutting.
Yeah.
The other guy's cutting at the other end.
Well, they must be pulling the razor out now.
Everything's all fine and dandy and leaning up against that rail. I don't deal with it. We're gonna be going back there. It's a little bit cooler in there too.
Let us know when that happens. No, let's go back to work.
Hit him with that there, it must be that. He didn't look up there.
It's just hanging there.
Pick all this stuff up.
Yeah.
Go put the rocks right over there by that telephone pole. Now.
Now.
Heck of a water slide.
He looked at you like, who are you?
They're regular water in that joint. I don't know.
Mommy, it's on ruined.
Cut the legs off.
The guy that's sitting on the edge of
Left the
that.
bowl, could have had the town
So
swimming.
these rocks
They wanted a splash pad, they could just drill some holes in it and they could sprinkle down on everything.
Four legs, just cut it to whatever height you want it off.
Okay, grab a chair.
Sounds good.
Alright guys, thanks for the donuts.
Have a good day.
Thanks for letting me get free
Oh
donuts.
yeah.
Glad you got three, Charlie sitting there smoking.
Hey, did you get a hold of that guy for the keys?
I told Jen about them.
You sure they weren't the set I lost?
Pretty sure.
Just one key, wasn't it?
What?
Yeah. He's hit bigger ones than that.
Oh, look at the bottom of that shape.
And he's on a ladder there.
That tower's got to be shape.
All right.
No.
Gotta read if they got signals, they said each other up there.
They said they'll get it lunch in Arizona.
Oh, they're taking off that early.
Yeah.
That's Matt drive. Yeah.
Yeah.
I do it at night.
They might have to. It's so freaking hot there.
Those cut is freezing. Think you could keep a little cooler up there?
Well, they got long sleeve shirts on. I'm sure it does.
I know it gets cold when you stand on it.
The guy we were talking, he was complaining about a little bit of frostbite.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a ghost in your body standing.
I know.
Lori, where's Darla? She might want some of them ladders for a project.
She asked last night, do you think they could just bring the whole water tower over here to my backyard?
That'd be good for vines.
Yeah.
It's hot out there to watch. That rain
Right now.
well, we've got the whole front house. The engineering company run down and lock it, blow it. Oh, yeah, I don't think. Well, Austin's like a lot of it. Shit, that kind of just takes place once every 15
Seven.
Already did. All I got to do is put the window off the house. The window all flush on there. I thought that was off the corner. Oh. Yeah, we got the base there at the top side.
Not gonna rain for 4 hours.
Those guys, they probably started cutting probably at 6:30. Cutting holes into it.
About a half an hour. I know it's very fast.
Are you gonna stop him?
I'm gonna say something.
Do what? Me? Yeah. What did I do? Oh, I thought you said I was. I stopped there.
You gotta go do something.
Isn't something fun?
What's that?
We'll be back in a few more minutes. We're getting overheated here. Sorry about that, guys. See you shortly.